Hello guys, hope you're doing well. This is Atnan with another case study. So let me give you a bit of background about this client. He joined us in the month of February and he was only complaining about the high inventory that he's got in UK and he wanted to sell off that inventory. So the goal was just to sell off the inventory at break even so that he could get his money back and avoid the storage cost. Otherwise, he would have been paying a lot of storage costs. So we started the work, and I'll tell you what did exactly we did on this account. But let's just see the stats. So in the first month, we did. I mean, he was doing £1,450. The month we joined is he did £3,000. Next month he did £5,500. Next month he did £16,000, and then 48,000, and then 39,000. At this point, he realized that okay, Amazon is not too bad, and we started to get into the profits, and that is why we contained the sales, contained the ACoS and TECoS, and this month we're doing exactly same, and we have also increased the price. Now, how did we do that? We've done this so many times. It's just our muscle memory these days. Again, I'm going to give you a glimpse of what we did at the back end. Mind you, it's just a glimpse. So this is the glimpse, right? We've got day parting sheet, which is very useful. I mean, see, day parting is one way of doing the so many other optimization. It is not the optimization that brings in these results. It's one of those things. So so you have to so day parting has to go in with other so many factors, but let me explain this sheet to you. This is a very useful sheet. The only problem with this one is it's got 8 weeks of data, so we are collecting the data on weekly basis and adding it to this sheet. Once after 12 months we'll have got 12 months of data, and that is going to be a gold mine, because that data will exactly tell us where do we need to put the money when it is the time of highest conversion rate. For example, this one, I mean, this is in patches at the moment because it's just 8 weeks of data. Once it has gone to over 8 months, it will give us exactly where the conversion rate is high. So for example, this one, if is got 46% conversion rate and got 14 orders, it's got volume as well. Yeah, but this is one of the so many sheets that we create. So this sheet is for the ad spend. I mean, these are the system that I've hided for the confidentiality reasons. But at the same time, this sheet is also being monitored and done on weekly basis, because it gives us the delta. We call it delta report because it gives us the data, and we have against the system, so we will exactly know, like, this system, what has it spent in previous last 7 days, what has it spent on the last 7 days, and what is the difference, what are the sales difference, what is the ACoS difference, clicks difference, order difference, and then club that together with the ranking, and you will exactly know what's wrong with your product, and then you can exactly make the funnel that will be useful for your product. And this is the month over month data. So started from 15% ACoS, it was only £3,000 in sales, then 33% ACoS, 33%, 20%, 22%. So this is what we did in last 6 months for this account. Mind you, the acquisition cost is around £2 for this product, which is very, very good for the product which is being sold for only £12. Now the client is happy with the work, and since he has seen the growth from £1,500 to £48,000, he wanted to retain the inventory, and now he wants to launch 6 more products with us in the same category. This account will be in 6 figures and beyond in next 6 months once we have more SKUs. It's just one SKU at this time. If you have similar problems, if you're stuck at the numbers, if you have been burned by false promises by agency, this is your chance. Get in touch and I will sort out the things for you. Thank you so much for watching the video.